How to use Canva Pro for free. New method. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you the new method on how to use Canva Pro for free. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Create an account. On Canva, log in using Continue with Email. Afterwards, go to Google and type temp mail. Click the first link that shows up. Wait for your randomly generated email, then copy it. Paste this email on Canva. You will be required to enter a code for verification purposes, so go back to temp mail and scroll down. Click the email, then copy the code. Step 2. Go Pro. Once you have logged in, simply click the menu icon. Click your account at the top left and select Join a Team. Then, just join any team of your choosing. And that's it! That is the new method on how to use Canva Pro for free. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!